the state of West Bengal and India's second largest city, Calcutta. A city that is rich in history, where you can ride the vintage tram and enjoy some historical sights, and offers also some stunning religious architecture. And at the heart of it all is the iconic Eden Gardens, where today Pakistan take on Bangladesh. Two teams who
early with the new ball. One of the problems for Pakistan has been his striking form with the new ball.
On the brink of 100 ODI win. Just a little shake as well, just away from the left-hander.
He bowls that ball so well, whether it's...
He's looking for the stumps. It's Shahid Afridi. He's on target. Is this wicket number 100 for the left-armer that is just 23 years of age? There is a chat between the two batters. Do they want the third umpire to have a look? Beautiful start from the young man.
Come and bowl. Nicely played, and ball runs away to the fence. Shahid Afridi with a dive. It's the fence outfield, and nothing.
That's brilliant. What a wonderful piece of fielding by Salman Mir. Diving forward and to his right. Backing up his bowler as well.
Yeah, I mean, it was...
Sometimes a quick wicket comes, quick wicket goes to the boundary. The timing there is lovely. There hasn't been too much of that yet in the... Just starting to find the timing, both of these two, and that'll do their confidence a world of good, especially Mushfiqur, who has... Oh, it's a beauty. And the umpire says, yeah, there's something on it. Richard Kittlebrook says, there's a little nick on that. It's a feather, but it's enough.
Punched nicely through the offside. Outfield's quick. Much needed boundary.
Yeah, very well many wickets they lost in power play, won the most of any.
Another drive ball. Still a little bit full from Haris Rauf. Barber gives chase. Another drive ball. And if you pitch it up on here, you're going to get punished for more. Nicely timed, nicely placed, 4 runs. Little off cutter, driven nicely. Mahmudullah. Too full. And driven nicely. Will it go for 4? Yeah, it has. I think the ball was in
To a bowler.
Takes him on straight down the ground, doesn't time it. Man comes in just short. Just short. Alive. Haris Rauf made loud ground, but nicely cut away. Timed it perfectly. Little bit of room for Mahmudullah to just freeze up. Cooling down a touch now. A warm afternoon. Cuts it, beats. Onto the practice wickets, and away it goes.
With spin, and you look at that graphic there, 8 wickets for spin.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, right on the cue. And that's what's been happening, not only...
Again, half cracker. Put away for 6. This is sport bowling.
It's magical deliveries for... Once again, it's shot and wide on the pads and will go and hit the fence in no time.
That's it! Oh, against the run of play. Iftikhar gets the wicket. And gets to his half century, so it's consistent run in World Cup.
Just leaning into it and finding himself a gap. Lovely timing. Around the wicket is Shahid Afridi, and as he's done so many times in the tournament, he picks up a big wicket in the middle overs.
That is a shot in the game, isn't it? That's how you play it. Just move more than. Runs
ahead because they lose one more wicket.
Just his second ball that he has faced. After an attacking stroke out towards the leg side, he's chopped down on this one. Now he's standing because he wants to know whether or not maybe this
Shaqib, round arm action, it's up-ish. One bounce, two bounces, it gets to the road. Maybe that'll get Shaqib going.
Yeah, just gave it.
He's got a feeling for it now. Four.
Like London buses, you wait for it.
Big away on the leg side. Field will watch it sail over. Morales with the first six. Game is in Pune. Doesn't time it at all well. Spoons it to mid-wicket. Shaqib drops his head. And Harris Ralph gets the big wicket. Squeeze away off the pad. Fielder comes around. Dives. We have to have a look.
Not only get through it, but the possibility of getting away.
Looked at couple of these remaining three again. Flighted on the offside and gets the gap. Too much width, too much air, and punished. Two sounds. Mohammad Wasim bouncing. A bit of reverse. And he's knocked back the off stump. Well, he expects a short ball. Oh, he's cleaning up again. Bingo, twice in this over. He's rattled timber. Another. Oh, he's somehow managed to find the stumps. And there's a come back to Kolkata. We're in the eastern part of India and in the city of joy, where Bangladesh are taking on Pakistan. It was Bangladesh who won the toss, batted first, and went trouble straight away. 3 quick wickets before you can bat an eyelid.
Bell here with his bowlers and mix up his bowlers and look to take wickets. You don't take wickets, Pakistan will win this game with ease. This man, Tusky. That shape you're talking about, Watto.
Again, directed, he was gone. Awful mix-up, yes, no. Oh, lovely shot. He has the time, he has the quality. Mentioned earlier when he's in full flow.
One thing that being dropped does do is just let you take.
Some swing, but it's gone in the gap. Such a quick outfield. He don't bother chasing it. Oh, he's climbed into it. What a sound! Wow.
Deep breath.
That's nicely played. The gap and for 4. Hard bending his back. Swung away. And just getting there to Liven Das on the bounce. Oh, nicely timed. Don't bother running. Ball races away.
Yeah, very elegant.
No, I think sliding down on the angle. Needs to straighten. Down the pitch, down the ground, out the ground. Long, long way back.
This is tremendous strike.
Save your legs. He's just opened the blade, smashed it in the gap. This is a good comeback inning so far.
tackle fine, and fine leg is up. 4 more, 50 up for Pakistan. Nice shot, punch down the ground. Outfield is always quick here. Got a touch of class about it. Is it over? It is over. Another 6 for Pakistan.
Down the ground by Abdullah tonight. All been timed very swiftly. Just class. And it's oozing out of him despite the crack.
This is as good a shot as July ahead down the ground. Absolutely snapped. That's Fakhar Zaman for you. Wonderful strike.
Well, it's a line that should be dealt with, and the form that he's in at the moment. His third half century of the World Cup this year. The goal with a magnificent 113 he made against. Ticking off milestones at the moment is Pakistan in this opening pair. They passed 100 runs without losing a wicket today. The use of the feet tonight has been something to admire.
Well, one thing very clear now, the tactics are there for...
They haven't back.
Straight up. Always going to be out that one. And they get the first wicket. Miraz gets the breakthrough. And Abdullah Shafiq, unless he goes upstairs, which he has, advances, pulls out of the shot, but hits the gap. Little plug out there. Slowed on the shot when he wasn't. That's what you come to see. The Baba Azam cover drive. That is worth the price of the ticket alone right there. Yeah.
Such great timing. I think the slow ball, the cutter attempted, but Fakhar Zaman.
See you later. He's just slapped that fucker. And that is 25 rows back now. At the start of the day, he's created a masterpiece.
His coach told him never to get out. And I said if...
He's putting on a display tonight. That's his 7th maximum, and they're getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
It's behaving. Fun. Miraz going down the wicket.
The ball they've just lost. Not too surprised at the approach from Rizwan straight away, because one, it's how he plays, but also he's been looking for that area all night. Most times he's been successful, not this time around. Miller takes the catch.